Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to attach your mum flower and secure it to your mum backer. First I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to take this back off, throw that away, and as you can see we've got a little extra there. I don't want that. I want to cut that off as far down as I can. You need a pipe cleaner. I usually go with the same color flower and just push that in there. Sometimes I get hung up a little bit. Okay, there you go. See it coming out? It's on both ends. Move that over to the side. Now I'm going to tie some knots in this. Usually I tie about 3 knots, just to make it big enough so it won't slip back through. But I'm also going to hot glue it. And I wrap that around like that. You see? Okay, I'm going to pull it back through. And pull all that back. You can see it. And make sure all the petals are straight. Okay. Now I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm running out of hot glue. Let me show you a trick here. If you either just burn the end or add a dab right there and then stick it through and hold it, it won't fall back out. It'll glue to the other glue stick. Okay, so let's start putting some glue down there all around it. Pull it snug. And then you see how it's opened up, so I want to go like this, pinching it. So you won't see that. And it usually takes a while to dry, so I like to do this before I start putting all my pieces back together. Okay, so here's what we have. And here's the finished backer. I made a tutorial on this, but I didn't show it completely finished so you guys can see the finished product. And these were just scrap pieces of ribbons I had left over from the season. I have a big bucket, and every time I have just short, long pieces left over, I just throw them in there and then start using them for other things or for next year. I don't like to throw away anything if I can help it, because I can always find a use for it. Okay, now we're gonna, I like to attach the backer to the streamer. I don't have a streamer done, so we're gonna pretend like this is one with the ribbon streamers on it. And what I would do is I would attach them both to each other. We'll do it like that so it looks better. And I would staple it a couple of times. I'd make sure my holes were lined up. You can do that by taking a paintbrush or a pencil or something, and you would staple it a couple of times and then make sure it was lined up, and then you could hot glue all that, and then after that dried, then you'll attach your flower, and you would run it through both holes like so, because you want them, I like it to be, some people just attach it to the front backer, but I want it attached to everything. I want it holding everything together. So I'm pulling it tight, as you can see, and then I wind it up here, pulled tight, and then I take my stapler and I will staple it once and then maybe a couple of times, and cut off this excess amount and fold it back to where there's just a little bit left. And then I would hot glue in there, and I would hot glue all around, and so then it wouldn't pull out. It is secure in there. You do not have to go through and hot glue all these layers. That's ridiculous. There's no reason for it. If you've got that attached, you won't need to do it. I do go through afterwards and hot glue all through there, just a little section at a time, and I'll fold this one up and I'll hot glue in there, and then again over here I'll hot glue, and then I'll press like this to get it all nice and secure. And it'll still move around. If you find you don't like that there's sections moving too much, you can hot glue in there. but you do not have to go through every single layer, because this will work. As long as this is secured on every layer, stapled and hot glued like that, you don't have to worry about it. And then when you're finished with it and you've got all these staples and you've got this and you want to cover that up, you get another backer, a clean one. I usually do a white one for the last one, and then I'll put it over the back, just hot glued over the back, so it's nice and clean and it won't get on, snag on somebody's clothes or their arm or anything. But it's really that simple. Okay guys, thanks. Bye.